Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Codex app crashing. Now click on guys, to do this, come to your start bar over here. Now go ahead and search for graphics settings. Now search for graphics settings, will open up graphics settings from your settings menu. Now by default, graphics settings is obviously set in the system over here. Now, once you're done opening up graphics setting, you then go ahead and make sure that a few options are turned off. Now, the first and only option you need to do is to tap on this one, which says optimization of Windows. Go ahead and turn it off. Now, once you turn it off, go ahead and close all the windows. Then right click in the desktop, refresh 3 times. Right click, refresh, right click, and refresh for that time. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.